Hello students. Next monetary instrument of RBI is open market operations. It is defined as buying and selling of government securities by the RBI from or to the banks. When RBI purchases government securities from the commercial banks, liquidity increases in the system. आप खुद सोचिए, अगर आप मार्केट में गए हैं, आपने कोई चीज परचेज करी है, राइट, तो बदले में आप जो हैं वो उसे पैसे देंगे, राइट। तो वो यही कह रहा है कि जब आरबीआई परचेज करता है गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी कमर्शियल बैंक से, तो बदले में आरबीआई विल पे मनी टू द कमर्शियल बैंक्स टू बाय दैट सिक्योरिटी. And when RBI is paying money to commercial banks, that means the liquidity will increase in the economy. और इसी का opposite case, when RBI sells government securities to commercial banks, then commercial banks will pay money to the RBI. देखो लिखा है यहाँ पे, when RBI sells government securities to commercial banks, then RBI is receiving cash from the commercial banks in place of securities. Clear? एंड व्हेन आरबीआई इज रिसीविंग कैश फ्रॉम द कमर्शियल बैंक्स, तो अल्टीमेटली कमर्शियल बैंक्स की जो लेंडिंग कैपेसिटी है आगे वो डिक्रीज हो जाएगी, which means the liquidity, the cash flow in the economy gets reduced. Okay. Now let us consider this situation, that if there is a situation of inflation or excess demand, then how RBI will correct this. अब इन्फ्लेशन की सिचुएशन है, एक्सेस डिमांड की सिचुएशन है, हमें इकोनॉमी में मनी की सप्लाई को रिड्यूस करना है. द मेन एम इज टू रिड्यूस द मनी सप्लाई इन द इकोनॉमी. फॉर दैट द लेंडिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ द कमर्शियल बैंक शुड बी रिड्यूस्ड. अब कमर्शियल बैंक्स की लेंडिंग कैपेसिटी को रिड्यूस करने के लिए व्हाट द आरबीआई विल डू, आरबीआई विल सेल गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज टू द कमर्शियल बैंक्स, बिकॉज इन रिटर्न कमर्शियल बैंक्स विल पे मनी टू द आरबीआई और उनकी लेंडिंग कैपेसिटी हो जाएगी रिड्यूस. देखिए, in order to correct this situation, RBI should sell government securities to the commercial banks. When RBI is selling government securities to banks, ultimately the banks will pay money to the RBI in place of securities, right? And when the commercial banks will pay money to the RBI, definitely their lending capacity will get reduced. They will have less money to provide loan to the public. And in this situation, the money supply in the economy gets reduced, which will lead to the reduction in aggregate demand. तो यही इसी एम को हमें अचीव करना था, राइट. नेक्स्ट, consider this situation, that if there's a situation of deflation or recession or deficient demand in an economy, then how RBI will correct this. Now, in order to correct this situation, because there is a deficient demand, so the main purpose is to boost the aggregate demand in the economy. Aggregate demand को increase करना है. Aggregate demand कैसे increase होगी? When the money supply in the economy gets increased. In order to increase the money supply, the lending capacity of the commercial bank should be increased. To increase the lending capacity of the commercial banks, what RBI should do? RBI should purchase government securities from the commercial banks. In order to correct this, RBI should purchase government securities from the commercial banks. When RBI is purchasing government securities, so in return RBI will pay money to the commercial banks in place of securities. Now the commercial banks will have more money to lend to the public. So basically their lending capacity gets increased, which will lead to the increase in money supply in an economy, and ultimately there will be an increase in aggregate demand. Logic is clear? Thank you.